If you want to keep your Namecheap account more secure, one of the smartest things you can do is turn on two-factor. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable two-factor authentication on Namecheap step by step, so you can add an extra layer of protection to your account and make it much harder for anyone else to get in. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and account security guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, look over to the left sidebar and click on Profile, then choose Security. This is where Namecheap keeps the main account protection settings, including your login and authentication options. On the security page, scroll until you see the Access section. Under that section, you'll find two-factor authentication. This is the setting we need to turn on because it adds an extra code step when signing in, instead of relying only on your password. Next, click Manage. That will open the control area for your authentication settings. From here, look for the option to enable TOTP, which stands for Time-Based One-Time Password. Click Enable under TOTP to begin the setup process. If Namecheap asks you for your password, enter your Namecheap password and continue. This is a normal security step to confirm that it's really you making the change. After that, Namecheap will show you backup codes. Make sure you print them out or save them somewhere secure. These codes are extremely important because they can help you get back into your account if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app or switch phones. Once you've saved the backup codes, click Next to continue. Now it's time to connect your Authenticator app. Open an app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your phone. If you don't already have one installed, you'll need to download it first. In the app, choose the option to add a new account, then scan the QR code that Namecheap shows on the screen. This links your Namecheap account to the Authenticator app and starts generating your 6-digit security codes. After scanning the QR code, go back to Namecheap and enter the 6-digit code currently shown in your Authenticator app. Make sure you type it in before it refreshes, because these codes change regularly for security. If the code is accepted, you're almost done. To finish the setup, click Finish. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your Namecheap account. From this point on, whenever you sign in, you'll have that extra verification step to help protect your domain, hosting, and personal information. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a huge difference in keeping your account secure. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.